Ever took the perfect vacation photo in Paris or New York, and strangers ruined it? What if you could fix that and get paid for it? Turn messy photos into perfect memories using AI. With tools like Nano Banana, you can remove unwanted people from photos in seconds and sell this as a service online. Tourist spots like Times Square, the Eiffel Tower, and beaches are always crowded. People love their photos, but hate random strangers in the background. This is a massive problem that millions of travelers face every single day. With AI photo editing, you can erase unwanted people cleanly and make the photo look like it was taken in an empty place. The background fills naturally. It looks professional. What used to take hours in Photoshop now takes minutes with AI. The process is simple. 4 steps. First, your client uploads their photo. Second, you select the people to remove. Third, you prompt the AI to reconstruct the scene. Fourth, you deliver the finished photo. The entire process takes less than 5 minutes per image. Who pays for this service? Travelers want perfect vacation memories. Couples need clean engagement photos. Families want group photos without photobombers. Influencers need pristine content for social media. Professional photographers want to offer premium editing services. Anyone who wants perfect-looking photos is a potential customer. You can sell this service on multiple platforms. Fiverr and Upwork for global clients actively seeking photo editing. Etsy for a creative marketplace audience. Instagram to showcase your before and after transformations. Your own website for direct sales and premium pricing. Each platform offers different customer bases and opportunities. Let's talk money. Charge $5 to $25 per photo, depending on complexity. Just 3 to 5 clients a day can generate $500 to $2,000 per month. You can also offer bundles. 5 photos for $20, 10 photos for $35. Upsell 24-hour priority delivery for an extra $5 to $10 per order. Before AI, photo restoration required years of Photoshop training and countless hours of manual work. Today, AI handles the heavy lifting automatically. You don't need design experience. You don't need expensive software. You just need to understand your customers and deliver quality results consistently. Here's how to start today. First, create 5 to 10 before and after samples using your own photos or free stock images. Second, list your gig on Fiverr or Upwork with clear pricing and turnaround times. Third, start promoting in travel groups, photography communities, and social media. Action beats perfection. Start small, gather reviews, and scale up. This is AI side hustle number 1. Simple, in demand, beginner-friendly. Follow for the next AI side hustle opportunity. Turn AI into income. Let's go.